Hey, this is Luke with Pinnacle Fitness, and if you're over the age of 50 and you suffer from low back pain, this is definitely the workshop for you. I've been running this workshop for over 5 years. We've helped hundreds of people alleviate back pain, and in some cases, eliminate their back pain. So how do we do it? Well, unfortunately, I was a collegiate discus shot put and hammer thrower, and I competed until I was 32 years old at the Olympic level. And it left my body riddled with bulging discs, cracked vertebra, and just constant back pain. So I was convinced that I needed a solution that didn't involve prescription medication, didn't involve surgeries. So I really had to go back to work in terms of how I could fix my body. And little did I know, that was the same system that I created then that would be the system that we use in the gym to help all of my clients now. So I used to have back pain, back episodes every 4 months. Now it's been 12 years since I've had any real back pain. So it takes some work, it takes consistency, but if you put in the time, you can feel like a whole new person. So if you want to learn the same techniques to help me heal my back and keep me pain-free for the last 12 years, click the link below, sign up for a low back health workshop on Saturday, April 26th, and I hope to see you there.